Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Atlantic City where I believe this is Iowa Avenue, heading towards the boardwalk. If this isn't Iowa Avenue, I'm sure you guys will let me know in the comments, and I appreciate that. Anyway, we're going to head into the Tropicana and check out the Tropicana's Broadway Burger Bar. It's a beautiful fall afternoon here on the Atlantic City boardwalk, and I plan on doing a lunch here at the Broadway Burger Bar and dinner later in the evening at Cuba Libre, and I'm sure that video will be coming up shortly. I am staying the night here at the Tropicana, so that's what allows me to do both lunch and dinner here at the Trop. I'm looking forward to it. This is Casa Taco and Tequila Bar, a one-of-a-kind tequila list partnered with Mexican-American classics including tacos, fajitas, and tableside prepared guacamole. Definitely on my future places to visit, as well as Chickies and Pete's, which is a sports bar here at Trop. I've been wanting to go there as well, and now that I'm focusing a lot on food lately, these are two places I want to check out here at the Trop. But this afternoon, we're here to check out Broadway Burger Bar, so let's head upstairs, hold on tight, walk through the casino, through the quarter. I don't know, it's about 6 or 7 miles. And for those of you in the UK and in Canada, I'm not very good at metrics, so let's just say it's a long walk from here. I have to say, and I think you guys would agree, that Tropicana has a beautiful tropical casino. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And again, the area we're in right now is called the Quarter. Lots of shops and restaurants. The restaurants are all located pretty much near the end of the quarter though. There's lots of restaurants here at the Trop, but the ones here in the Quarter include P.F. Chang's, Chinese restaurant obviously, Carmine's, an Italian restaurant, Broadway Burger Bar, which is where we're heading towards, and finally, Cuba Libre, which is a Cuban restaurant, which I'm going to visit later tonight. That Pizzata pizza joint is brand new and just another addition to my endless places of food places to visit here in Atlantic City. And we finally made it to the Broadway Burger Bar. They have some draft beer specials here when there's a game playing, and there is a game playing, in actually several games playing, but I'm probably going to end up with my regular iced tea. We'll see once I sit down. But a $2 draft Bud Light is a pretty good deal here in Atlantic City for a hotel and casino. I'm by myself, and the hostess wanted to sit me at the bar, which I have no problem with if the restaurant's busy, but there were so many empty tables I told her no thank you. I love the menu here at Broadway Burger Bar, and their starters include the Atlantic City famous, often imitated, never duplicated, huge soft pretzel, $14, and it's served with 3 dipping sauces, including caramelized onion spinach dip, honey mustard, and their signature cheese sauce. So I'm definitely ordering that, as well as the Madison Square Garden Burger, which is $18. It includes applewood smoked bacon, barbecue sauce, cheddar cheese, and Cajun onion straws. Here's a close-up of that pretzel on the menu, and a close-up of that Madison Square Garden Burger. The menu here is quite extensive, and there's lots of burgers to choose from on top of other things, and those appetizers, well, there's plenty of them, but I have to have that pretzel. But I'm here to say that if you're looking for an extensive casual menu, this is the place to come. While waiting for my pretzel, I placed a small wager on the New York Giants Las Vegas Raiders game. I placed my bet for the New York Giants, knowing that the Las Vegas Raiders, well, there is just too much drama going on with that team right now. And then it came, my pretzel. Like the New York Giants, I needed a strategy to overcome the drama of this huge pretzel, which was quite frankly bigger than my head. Like any New Yorker with a pretzel, I immediately realized that this pretzel needed to be torn into 4 pieces, the 3 outside rings and the middle. This was a perfect New York pretzel. It was hot, it wasn't crispy, it was chewy like it should be, and those 3 dipping sauces, well, this is a family channel. I can't go into detail, but let me just say I really enjoyed them. Knowing I had my burger coming out, I could not finish my salty wonder, and I asked for a box for the remaining pretzel and the dipping sauces, and I brought it up to my room for a midnight snack. And as I lay my mighty pretzel down, waiting to be placed carefully in a box, my Madison Square Garden Burger came out. And again, the Madison Square Garden Burger is applewood smoked bacon, cheddar cheese, onion straws, and barbecue sauce. By the way, if you like mac and cheese and fries, there's a whole section of the menu dedicated to those items. There's the Parm truffle fries, there's the chili cheese tots, cheesy mac and cheese, truffle infused mac and cheese, loaded tater tots, chicken bacon ranch fries, real crabby fries, buffalo chicken mac, and a South Jersey mac, which is their signature mac and cheese tossed with pork roll over an easy egg, and their sriracha ketchup drizzle. My Madison Square Garden Burger was delicious. It was juicy and cooked just the way I liked it. Everything came to under $40, including that huge pretzel the size of my head, which I took half of it up to my room when I was done. And I really enjoyed my lunch here at Broadway Burger Bar at the Tropicana. And by the way, that football game went my way, and I appreciate the New York Giants for picking up just about half of this tab. I had a great time catching up on the rest of the game and the end of the game, which was in my favor, at the Tropicana Sportsbook.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.